Hey everyone, let's talk about ashwagandha. It's a powerful herb that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. This incredible herb helps your body adapt to stress, making it easier to handle the pressures of daily life. Think of it as nature's chill pill, a natural way to calm your mind and body. Ashwagandha has been used for centuries in Ayurveda, which is traditional Indian medicine. It's known for its adaptogenic properties. Adaptogens are amazing because they help your body deal with stress more effectively. They work by bringing your body back into balance, helping you maintain a state of equilibrium. This balance helps you feel calmer and more focused, allowing you to tackle your tasks with a clear mind. Ashwagandha is becoming super popular these days, and for good reason. People are looking for natural ways to feel better, and ashwagandha delivers on that promise. It's like a secret weapon for your health, providing you with the support you need to thrive in a busy world. Feeling stressed? Ashwagandha can help. It lowers cortisol. That's the stress hormone. High cortisol is bad news. It messes with your sleep, your mood, everything. Studies show ashwagandha reduces anxiety symptoms. People feel calmer and more relaxed. They can handle stress better, no more feeling overwhelmed. One study found ashwagandha reduced anxiety by 69%. That's huge. Imagine feeling that much calmer. It can make a real difference in your life. Need an energy boost? Feeling sluggish and tired all the time can be frustrating. Ashwagandha can help with that too. This ancient herb has been used for centuries to enhance vitality and well-being. It fights fatigue and boosts energy levels, helping you power through your workouts and daily activities with ease. Unlike caffeine, which gives you a quick jolt followed by a crash, ashwagandha provides sustained energy. It works over time to improve your energy naturally, promoting a balanced and calm state of mind. Ashwagandha supports your adrenal glands, which play a crucial role in managing stress and energy production. They're responsible for energy production, and keeping them healthy is key to maintaining your overall vitality. When your adrenals are healthy, you feel energized and ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. You can power through your day with a smile, checking off tasks and achieving your goals effortlessly. Ashwagandha also improves sleep quality, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Good sleep means more energy during the day. It's a win-win. You'll be more productive and happier. With ashwagandha, you'll feel refreshed and ready to take on the world, embracing each day with confidence and vigor. Brain Power Boost. Ashwagandha for enhanced focus and memory. Want a sharper mind? Ashwagandha can help with that. Studies show it improves memory and focus. It also boosts cognitive function. That means your brain works better overall. Ashwagandha protects your brain from damage. It's like a shield for your brain cells. This is important for maintaining cognitive health as you age. Students are using ashwagandha to improve their studies. It helps them focus and retain information. It's like a natural study aid. Fun facts about ashwagandha. Ancient wisdom for modern times. Today we delve into the fascinating world of ashwagandha, an ancient herb with a rich history and incredible benefits. Did you know ashwagandha means smell of a horse? This unique name comes from the Sanskrit language, reflecting the herb's potent aroma. It's because the root has a strong smell. This distinctive scent is believed to be a sign of its powerful properties. But don't worry, the supplements don't smell like horses. Modern processing techniques ensure that the beneficial compounds are preserved without the strong odor. Ashwagandha is also known as Indian ginseng. This nickname highlights its rejuvenating and energizing effects, similar to those of ginseng. It's been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurveda. That's a long time. This ancient practice has harnessed the power of ashwagandha for various health benefits. Ancient wisdom for modern times. Today, people around the world are rediscovering the benefits of this remarkable herb. In Sanskrit, ashwagandha means vitality of the horse. This name signifies the herb's ability to enhance physical strength and vitality. It's said to give you the strength and stamina of a horse. Who wouldn't want that? Imagine having the energy and endurance to tackle your day with ease and vigor. Incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine. Ready to try ashwagandha? It's easy to add to your routine. You can take it in capsule form, or try the powder in smoothies or warm milk. Start with a low dose and see how you feel. It's always best to consult with your doctor before taking new supplements. You can also find ashwagandha in teas and even chocolate. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy its benefits. Find what works best for you. Embrace the power of ashwagandha, a natural path to well-being. Ashwagandha is a powerful herb with incredible benefits. It can help you stress less, boost your energy, and sharpen your mind. It's a natural way to enhance your overall well-being. Give ashwagandha a try and experience the difference. You'll be amazed by its power. It's like having a secret weapon for a healthier, happier you.